But every waste can be a raw material. I mean, depending on the food, the Serrano will take back to Najo. Only a paper balloon. No one another thing. The one we never know. Not to do with us. But I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm not going to see.